Welcome back to the channel, guys. Want to talk about this daily Ethereum chart today. There's a big update to my price analysis, my prediction for this weekend and going into next week. So I thought I'd make a video about it and share it with you. In yesterday's video, we were looking at this triangle where we had the support, the resistance. Quite frankly and honestly, I thought we would come up as one last retest because there were a few technicals suggesting that. However, like I did say in the video, massive breakout for Ethereum imminent. We did get that breakout, but we moved to the downside. So this triangulation, although still relevant, needs to be adjusted. I don't see this as a clear breakout just yet. There's going to be a bigger breakout even to come. I want to move the parameters of this support a little bit because it makes more sense to have it like that. Reason being, we just didn't really see a huge amount of volume. To me, it doesn't suggest a full on breakout, more of just a move to the downside. So I'm going to extrapolate this line a bit further, and this is the new triangulation I'm looking at. This drop to the support makes sense, of course, with this, but also if we bring in our levels, our price levels, let's get an update here because you need to see what's going on the daily, the weekly, the monthly, and you'll notice what I'm seeing as well. So basically, what I am currently seeing is this monthly level at $2,690 play a very key role in the support right now. This is the monthly level where we haven't yet broken, and of course if we do break it, it's going to be very, very bearish, of course, but this is where the month started. You can see we wicked all the way up to around $3,282, but we've now come right back down. The bulls weren't strong enough. Too much bearish activity in the market to make anything come from that move. Now what we're faced with is this arc, which is, in my opinion, most likely to be a continuation of the downward pattern, and we can target our way out of that. I'm going to show you the target of that in a moment, but just to show you, we also have this M pattern, which has its own bearish target. So there are quite a few things in the technicals that suggest to me right now that we could be going down lower to test lower levels. Leave your comments, let me know what you think, and a quick reminder, make sure you subscribe for all my future videos, guys. I'm going to show you this trade and the prediction I have here. Remember, if you want to take advantage of the offer I have on Bybit, $3,500 bonus down below, guys, when you make a deposit. You can claim that free crypto to try out a trade. Do remember, Bybit it's a great platform, but trading is for experienced traders only. If you want to check out my Bybit for beginners video, you can. So let's look at this together. Let's look at the scenario of a potential breakdown in price. If we do get that breakdown from where we're currently trading, you can expect 1725 to 1750. However, we could break out, of course, a bit later, and we might see somewhere up around 1850, 900. Both scenarios are completely viable. For example, by zooming out, I've shown my subscribers that follow my channel for some time, but if you draw your fib levels from swing low where the bull run started, March 2020, when we were trading about $100, swing low, swing high, you do get your golden ratio at these levels, anywhere between 1725 and 1950, you could say 1925. So that is a very plausible, could happen, and it would actually not even necessarily mean creating a lower low than we got in the summer. We have obviously confirmed a lower low than September and October's price action. The question now, the big question is, are we going to create a lower low than the one that we created when we were trading here at the late January, which we came down all the way down to 2,167. Obviously, if the target plays out of this bearish triangle, that is where we will be going. That's where we'll be heading. Of course, I have my own take on what's going to happen in this midterm cycle and short-term cycles. Guys, I do post my trade signals on Telegram. If you're on Telegram, make sure you follow me there. If you want to be invited to this exclusive real-time trade signals group that I have, you can check out this link down below in the video description. It will bring you to this page, and you simply need to sign up with an account using this specific link in the form, deposit into that account, and you'll get access to my free trade signals, guys. So that's what Ethereum is looking likely to do midterm. It's basically just a continuation of this downward pattern, lower lows, lower highs, continuation of this consolidation. Of course, we could break to the upside. Things are looking more difficult at the moment to break to the upside. For example, we've just crossed this daily level. You can see on this daily chart that that was a level of previous support now acting as resistance. The next level above us there, I mean, you could put a daily level here as well, but of course we've wicked through that as well. But ultimately, guys, if we do make our way back up, the key resistance is going to be at around $3,000. It's a monthly level, you can see here. And of course, as well as it being a monthly level, it's also a psychological level to break back above $3,000. So my theory is, what I believe will happen if we do make our way back to the upside short term, i.e. going into early next week, you have to be very careful of this 3,000 because it could be a bit of a fake out or a short-lived moment. We have this M pattern forming very perfectly in the chart as well. A bit of a double top, you could say. And you all know that when you get a pattern like this, the target is the neckline to the peak. And this also could take us down to around $2,000, $2,050. So take caution with your trading right now, guys. But of course, the price going down is great because you can short it, make a lot of money. If you want to trade, Bybit's the place to do that. Ethereum, you can trade Metaverse, Bitcoin, of course, many other cryptocurrencies. Also free for spot pretty much, like hardly any fees at all. You can trade, but you can use BiFi, you can do many different things on Bybit. And remember, guys, when you deposit using my link in the video description below, $3,000 for free in crypto, and you'll also be entered in the chance to win $100,000 from the prize pool, guys. You also get 30% off the fees at the moment using that link, guys. So thanks for joining me on this one. Leave your comments below if you like the video or anything you have to mention about this video. Smash up the like, subscribe, share it, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.